How many jobs are being cut in the recent St. Louis, Missouri mass layoffs? The numbers might shock you and reveal unexpected trends in the local economy. The recent wave of mass layoffs in St. Louis has resulted in over 1,200 jobs being cut across multiple industries. This represents a significant impact for the local workforce, especially considering the city's size and economic diversity. Many of these cuts are concentrated in sectors like manufacturing and retail, which have been grappling with broader economic challenges. This downturn is part of a larger national trend, but feels particularly acute in St. Louis due to its historical reliance on these industries. Manufacturing companies in St. Louis have been the hardest hit, accounting for the largest share of job cuts. Retail businesses have also faced significant layoffs, reflecting shifts in consumer behavior and supply chain issues. Interestingly, the tech and healthcare sectors have seen relative stability, showing resilience amid the layoffs. This contrast highlights the uneven recovery and varied impact across different parts of the local economy. These layoffs are not happening in isolation. Inflation and ongoing supply chain disruptions have placed heavy pressure on St. Louis businesses, forcing cost-cutting measures including layoffs. Many companies are trying to adjust to uncertain consumer demand and rising operational costs. This economic backdrop explains why layoffs are concentrated in certain sectors more vulnerable to these pressures, while others are holding steady. The recent mass layoffs in St. Louis have cut over 1,200 jobs, with manufacturing and retail sectors most affected due to economic pressures like inflation. Yet, some industries like tech and healthcare show resilience. Understanding these patterns helps reveal the complex economic shifts happening right now. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.